Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed.
Good morning, guys. We're starting off this week with some breakfast. So for today, it's Monday, guys. It's Monday. So for today's breakfast, I toasted some bread. I made some like pear, some I want to call it avocado. Let me mash it, put salt and pepper. Then I fried some eggs. Fried 2 eggs, split one, put it on it. Yeah. Then I have some peppermint tea, and I'm gonna be watching some YouTube for my breakfast. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I know I started this morning, but I didn't officially start the vlog. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do lifestyle vlogs, beauty content. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, yes, excitement, because this week is pretty much the last official week of school. Oh, look at that calf. Anyways, the last official week of school, and I am excited. So for this week, we have quite a few things planned, and this is gonna be my week in my life vlog. Yeah, so it's gonna be a week. This week I have quite a few things planned. So other than school, we have like a math outing, plus Friday's Miss Kelly's High. So it's quite a lot of stuff happening. Well, interesting stuff, I should say, happening this week. So shouldn't be too bad. Hey guys, so I'm back home. So today wasn't bad. I had like, let me see my ear. I had like one exam today, and then I had some papers marking. So I took the day to just do that. I've never shown you that, but yeah, I took the day to just mark the papers. I finished off, I think, about 2 sets of papers, or I finished 1 set. I almost finished one, but me did tired. Me didn't want to come on my yard, so me just pause that, because tomorrow I have one exam. I'm going to be doing an exam for somebody, because somebody going to do an exam for me for Thursday, because we're going out Thursday. Yes, I'll go over to practice now and see how that works, you know. Guys, we're doing puppet practice. Look at my puppet, and she's the lead singer. Let you talk to her. So this is Mary Carey. Hi. What's up? Well, I'm gonna be leading with this puppeteer. Alright guys, so I came in here because I think I need to wash my blankets. Yeah, I'm gonna wash my blanket because it's dirty. So I'm gonna show you guys my blanket. Yeah, this is the blanket. It is quite thick, so you guys can see it's thick and big and just so I'm gonna see if I can wash it. I don't know how this will work. Hopefully it wash properly. Hopefully not do my blanket. You know? Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna see how this works. But yeah.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm.
Alright guys, so I'm also washing my puppy. So yeah, my dog. So what I did was to put some warm water and detergent and some baking soda. So some of this, and I put him in it. The first one that I put him in, it was so dirty. I say, you know, say a long time I don't wash him. Yeah, good while. But yeah, I changed the water and see it's still a bit dirty. But then I think one like this, and then we just brush him a while ago. Now I just make him go and soak a little bit. Then I take him out and then rinse him. Yeah.
Told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
Alright, so that's done, and you know the teddy bear is still drying. So guys, I definitely need to get a duvet cover for this. So if you do know where I can get one to buy in Jamaica, comment it down below, because I want it for Christmas but didn't get to order it. So me need to get one, and then you know I'll order one for next year or whatever, but I need to get one. So yes, I'm gonna leave my poor teddy. I sleep with him every night, so it's gonna be weird not sleeping with him tonight. Good night. Good morning guys. It is Tuesday. We're awake, we're alive, a little bit enthusiastic, a little bit, yeah. So my face kind of look bright. Like, I'm loving this. But I try this hairstyle, don't know if it'll work out for me. No. Anyways, I want to show you guys my outfit. So first I'm wearing this top, and it's cute. Try to fix the ear. I don't know if it's fixed, but yeah. So this top I bought from. So the top I bought from This For Less. It's kind of big because originally it was supposed to be not mine, but for my sis. But it fit me ish. I'm kind of like bigger top, but I like when it's stuck on, which is kind of weird. But yeah, this is the top. It has a cute little print. Do you like the print? Because I like it. It's kind of cute. Originally, I said I was going to wear this like to church or something, but it fits with this pants, so why not? It looks like it's about to rain. It is Wednesday. Yeah. So I showed you guys yesterday, I think. We had a sashing. Didn't know that was gonna happen yesterday, so it was kind of nice. It's a change of environment, change of situation. Yeah, change of vibe. So right now I'm waiting to go to work. So yeah, I think we have one exam today. I pretty much marked off most of the papers I have. I have like one paper left. Yeah, that was already done, because I still have exams that are still being done, I think up to Thursday. So I'm not done marking out. But hi guys, we are in Maypen. We're visiting a place called Palmz in Maypen. Yes, on a river. So we're gonna explore. I'm gonna see walking. Alright, so it has changing rooms up there. And we're heading down to the river. Nice little vibe.
Yeah, I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah, gotta let them know. If you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Yeah, I know you having trouble understanding. Give me God.
Good morning, guys. I feel like we're not gonna fall right now. Today is Miss Kelly's high, and I got there for school probably like very late, like probably up to like 1 a.m. So we decided me now go early. I go up there now, help them do what they need to do, like help do something if things they have to do, and then later I still have work to do.
This is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract, I need you non-stop. Cause I know it ain't easier. We can still make it work.
Hey guys, so coming on again to end another vlog. So this is gonna be the end of a very eventful, very eventful week. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Yeah, it was a lot, so hope you guys enjoyed. I tried to not let the video be very long, so I did cut out quite a few things, you know. So hopefully you guys got the gist of pretty much my entire week. More great vlogs to come, so if you have not yet subscribed, hit that notification bell so you are notified when I make a video. Give this video a big like if you did not yet as yet. Leave a comment, share this video to somebody, I don't know. Just share my video so they can watch as well. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.